Today we're diving into a crucial topic. 3 things you should never clean with vinegar. You know, vinegar. That pantry staple, that miracle worker, that tangy elixir some folks seem to think can clean just about anything. And while it's true that vinegar can be a powerful cleaning agent, it's not a universal solvent. There are some things, my friends, that vinegar can do more harm than good to. Let's get started. First on our hit list is stone surfaces. These are the silent victims in our homes, often overlooked but crucial to our daily lives. Now, I'm talking about your natural stone here. Granite, marble, soapstone, the very materials that add a touch of elegance and luxury to our kitchens and bathrooms. These stones are not just for show. They make up some pretty impressive countertops and floors, transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. See, these beauties are porous. They have tiny, almost invisible pores that can absorb liquids and other substances. Think of them like a superhighway system on a microscopic level. These pores are like tiny roads and highways, allowing liquids to travel deep into the stone. Liquids? They don't just sit on the surface, they seep right in, taking a scenic tour of the stone's underbelly. This can lead to stains and other damage over time. And vinegar? Well, vinegar is acidic. It's a common household item, but it can be surprisingly harmful to these stone surfaces. Not battery acid levels of acidic, mind you, but acidic enough to etch away at the stone's surface. Remember those microscopic highways? Vinegar can erode them, causing significant damage. Vinegar widens them, turns them into craters, leaving the surface dull and lifeless. What was once a beautiful, shiny surface becomes marred and unattractive. And once that damage is done, it's there for good. The stone loses its natural beauty and becomes a constant reminder of the damage. No amount of polishing is going to bring back that original shine. The damage is permanent, and the stone will never look the same again. Next up on our vinegar hit list, wood surfaces. Yes, you heard that right. Vinegar, the household cleaning hero, has a dark side when it comes to wood. We're talking floors, furniture, countertops, anything made of good old-fashioned timber. These beautiful wooden pieces that add warmth and character to our homes. Now, wood, unlike stone, isn't exactly porous, but it is susceptible to the evils of vinegar. The acidic nature of vinegar can wreak havoc on wood surfaces. See, most wood surfaces are finished. Varnish, lacquer, polyurethane, you name it, it's there to protect the wood from moisture, stains, and the occasional rogue scratch. These finishes act as a shield, preserving the wood's natural beauty. But vinegar laughs in the face of these finishes. It doesn't care about your protective layers. It strips them away piece by piece, leaving the wood bare and exposed. The once glossy and smooth surface becomes vulnerable, and once that happens, you're looking at discoloration, warping, and a whole lot of heartache. The wood can swell, crack, and lose its original charm. So what do you use on wood? A damp, and I mean damp, not soaking, cloth with a mild soap solution will do the trick. This gentle approach ensures the wood stays clean without damaging the finish, and for heaven's sake, dry it immediately. Leaving moisture on wood is a recipe for disaster. Wood and moisture are like oil and water. They just don't mix. Keep your wooden surfaces dry and they'll thank you by staying beautiful for years to come. Last but not least, let's talk about appliances. They are the unsung heroes of our daily lives, making everything from our morning coffee to our evening meals possible. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I've seen a million videos about cleaning coffee makers with vinegar. It's practically a rite of passage for any coffee lover. And you're right, you have. Vinegar is often touted as a miracle cleaner. But here's the thing, vinegar is a gamble when it comes to appliances. It's not always the safe bet you might think it is. Some materials, like stainless steel, can handle a vinegar bath now and then. They come out sparkling and clean, but others, not so much. The wrong material can end up damaged beyond repair. Rubber seals, aluminum parts, certain types of plastic, vinegar can corrode them, weaken them, and basically send them to an early grave. It's like giving your appliance a one-way ticket to the junkyard. And nobody wants a broken appliance, am I right? It's frustrating and often expensive to replace. So, unless the manufacturer specifically recommends vinegar for cleaning, I say steer clear. Always check the manual first. Stick to baking soda, dish soap, and good old-fashioned elbow grease. These tried and true methods are safe and effective. Your appliances will thank you. They'll last longer, perform better, and you'll save money in the long run. So remember folks, while vinegar is a fantastic cleaner for many things, it's crucial to know where not to use it. Always do your research and choose the right cleaning agents for the job. If you have any experiences or tips about using vinegar, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cleaning tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.